everyone, welcome back to my new channel. Today we're going to be doing KiwiCo crates. Okay.
What are you doing today?
Today we're going to be building a build-it-yourself bottle rocket.
Yeah, a bottle.
This is the cap.
Back it up a little bit so you can see.
And I need the instructions to know how to build it. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
So, with this, you get a bottle.
So it doesn't go away.
You get a cup, balloons, string. You get citric acid in a pouch, baking soda in a pouch.
You get a manual on how to build it, which is right here. Okay. So the page says we need to get this out. I have no idea what this is. It looks like a weird spaceship. And then you need to open this to get something out. Where's the opening? Oh, right here. And then we have to get one of these and put it right like this. I think that's right. And then step 2, we gotta push a cork, which is in here. Push the cork into the launcher piece with the angled notch. So, like this. So now we have that. Step 3, slide the 2 launcher pieces together. Where's the other launcher piece? I don't think we put this on for the second one. This, I think it's like this. Oh, nope. Okay, this is confusing. Let me look. Oh, it's like that. Hold on, but then it pushes that out of the way. It's like this, but it pushes this out of the way. Can you help? I'll hold this again. And then step 4, slide the zip tie through all 4 holes. I don't know which way, I don't think it matters. Hold on, wait. This is the zip tie.
You want to make sure that you put it through so that the end will go through the flat part of the front.
Okay.
Got it?
And then...
Does it say fasten it?
It does. Build the rocket. Press the bottle down onto the cork. The cork is strong.
It's not going to go all the way down.
I know. Step 2. Punch out the 4 fins from the clear sheet right here. It doesn't say to take out the Okay. Highly. Okay. Fold the 4 slabs on the side of each fin in the alternating directions. What does it alternating mean?
Look at the picture.
Oh, wait. So you put them each in different directions? So, alternating means to make them on each different direction. Like, if one's facing left, the other faces right. So that's what I'm doing right now with these flaps. I think Gary's on. Okay. All of them are done. Use 2 revent stickers to attach each fin to the bottle. Okay, we're gonna use these to do something.
To attach, so you put
So I grab one.
the stickers
Okay, hold on.
and you put it on the bottle like this. And you get one on each side.
Well, hold on. So I put it like this. But it's on the 2 fins?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna attach it to 2 of the fins on the side that I bent. And my mom helped to bend them. And we're just gonna attach it.
And then you get one for the other side.
Yep. And then there should be enough, maybe an extra. Oh, I think I might have messed that one up. I messed one up. I really hope there's extras in here. Oh, nope, did it. Okay, and for the other side, it's not going to be perfect.
Which is okay.
Yeah. Ah! My mom just had an idea where I'm going to put the stickers on the fin before I put the fin on. But getting the stickers off of the paper is hard itself. Okay.
And then you can let them know which one is easier.
Ah! Okay, I don't even think either is easier. Not the best, but it works. Okay, step 5. Use the sticky foam disc to attach the nose cone. Nose cone. It's in nose, so I use it as a cone. Okay. Gosh, it's sticky. I think that's kind of the point, but still. Okay, put this on. Take that off. And then put this on the top. Done. Got a rocket looking right. Not perfect, but okay. Build the funnel. We need to poke this out.
So, if you do it like this, with the pieces out, then it comes with 2 clear pieces of sticker. that you have to fight with.
Is it hand-to-hand combat?
Yeah. That you tape down.
I don't think you're showing it. Is it?
Yeah.